Take a video of it. You got the hiccups. Tell us what you're doing. Say, I'm making a bubble with my lips. You gonna tell them? You want to say what you're doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You want to say I'm making a bubble with my lips? I saw it. I saw the bubble. I saw the bubble you made with your lips. Is that cool? Hey, what are you supposed to be doing right now? Get in a blanket? Are you supposed to sleep?
Yeah.
You supposed to go night-night?
Yeah.
What are you doing instead? What are you doing instead?
You do right on.
Yeah. What are you doing instead of going to sleep?
Yay.
Light? You like the light? Hey, you don't want to go to sleep, do you? It seems like you don't want to go to sleep. Is that right? You're supposed to go to bed at like 1 to 2 o'clock. That's when I usually put you to bed, right? And it's 2 o'clock. And I've tried for an hour. Hasn't worked so good, obviously. What are you going to do? What's Mommy going to do without one break in the day, huh? What am I going to do? What am I going to do with you? You little stinker.
I'm fun with you.
You got hiccups, huh? You having fun with me?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What happened? Hiccups?
Yeah.
Are they weird? You don't like hiccups?
Do I fit that?
You don't like what?
I don't like that. Bit that.
The hiccups?
Yeah.
Can you say hiccups?
I don't want to eat that.
You don't want to say hiccups? You don't want to have them.
I don't want to.
I know. Nobody likes having hiccups. But it's kind of cute. Hiccups are kind of cute. Aren't they? They're so little. You what? I love you, Heaven. Oh, what happened? What happened? You pulled it too much? Do you want me to kiss it?
I want you much.
Oh.
No, don't do it.
There you go. You feel better?
Yeah.
Thanks. I mean, you're welcome.